If you're following all the steps but missing this one, maybe that's why your manifestation isn't working. Control your mind and you will control everything. Namaste. Welcome to the channel. Today we are diving deep into the manifestation world where everything seems possible to achieve. This manifestation process, which I'm going to share with you, has worked for me in the past, and I have manifested a lot of things which seemed impossible in the beginning. So if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. And without wasting any moment, let's dive into the video. Manifestation is a process by which you can turn your dreams, your future, into your physical reality with the help of TFAB, which is an acronym that I made for thoughts, emotions, feelings, actions, and beliefs. Maybe you have heard this quote, wherever your focus goes, energy flows. So wherever you will put your focus, the energy will flow in that direction. So let's talk about the step number 1. I would request you to please grab a pen and paper, or maybe if you want to write somewhere, you can write all the steps so that it'll be easy for you later. So step number 1 is write down your goals. So first of all, you need to put everything out from your head. You need to tell the universe that this is what you're trying to achieve. This is your goal. I would always take this example of building a house. When we build a house, instead of building the kitchen, the rooms, the washrooms, the roofs, we always start from the basic foundation. So writing your goals are the basic foundation in your whole manifestation process. So number 1 step is write down your goals, and don't write down thousands of goals. Just start from 1 or maybe 2 which are connected to each other. Because when you write down all the goals, you will be so confused. So in this way, you are confusing yourself and you are confusing the universe. So maybe start from, if you want to achieve love in your life, if you are looking for money, if you're looking for a house, for a car, or a job. So anything you are trying to accomplish, you're trying to achieve, just write it down. Step number 2, be specific. As I've mentioned before, that we don't need to confuse yourself and the universe. So we need to write down at least 1 or 2 goals and write down all the 10 to 20 attributes of each goal. So for example, if you are looking to buy a house, so write down how many rooms you want, where you want, what color of your house would be, how much would it cost, like anything, each and everything that you can think of, write everything down. And don't write down, I want a house where I can live with my soulmate and with a pet. This is like a really confusing goal. So you need to be very specific. I'll take an example of a car. So you can write down, I have a Honda SUV. Maybe write down the color, the model, and how much did it cost. And in this way, you're not going to be scattering your energy all over and you're going to be looking for this car or this house, that house. You know what you really want, and then your manifestation will start. Step number 3, visualization. Visualization is one of my favorite ways to manifest. There are so many different ways by which you can visualize your goals. Maybe you can have a vision board, maybe you can use meditation, maybe you can use energy healing, maybe you can use chakra meditations. There are so many ways. So for visualization, you have to have few minutes in a day, maybe in the morning or before bed, when there'll be no disturbance. So you can sit quietly and comfortably and start with some breathing exercises, because first we need to relax our mind. We need to let everything out so that we are open and there is a place to manifest your goals. So it's really important. You can start with any kind of breathing exercises. There are tons of meditation apps. You can use any meditation app or just simply find any visualization meditation on YouTube. Step number 4. This is the crucial part of your whole manifestation process. Add the emotion. So if you're doing all the steps but not adding the emotion, maybe your manifestation process will not work, or it will take a long time. So add the emotion. So whenever you are sitting in your meditation, once you start your visualization, just put your hands on your heart space and just feel what your future self is doing, how you're treating others and how others are treating you. Notice all the little and the big things that are happening in your future. So you have to match that vibration, because universe will give you what you are. So you have to match that vibration. So it's really important to add the emotion and the feelings that you will generate. Your vibration will be really high, and this is the vibration of manifestation. And then the things will start moving in your way. Step number 5, affirmations. Affirmations are really powerful, and I have read a lot about affirmations in so many books. So why affirmations? Because first of all, we need to see what you are feeding your subconscious mind with. You have to notice what you are thinking about, what you're saying on a daily basis. Are you saying something, I'm a loser, my life sucks, I'm poor, I'm broke, nothing is working in my favor, everybody is happy, but it's only me who can see all the problems, blah, blah, blah. That means your subconscious mind is full of negative thoughts. So now you have to feed your subconscious mind with conscious thinking and thoughts. So instead of saying, I'm bad, I'm loser, I'm this and that, you have to start saying some good things. For example, you can say that my manifestation is working in my favor. My dreams are here. I am rich. I am wealthy. I am a good person. I'm compassionate. I'm loved. I'm blessed. See, when you will say these affirmations, your body will start reacting to it. Because here in the mind, it's all vibration. Whatever you say, it's vibration. So whatever you put out comes back to you. So you have to be really conscious what you say on a daily basis. So next time, if you observe, you analyze that your mind is wandering and you're being negative about yourself especially, and even for other people, that moment you will know that something has to change. So you have to work on your affirmations and your subconscious mind. Step number 6, gratitude. It's not me who is saying this. Science has done a lot of research and they found out that gratitude has an enormous effects on our body and on our life. For example, you'll be more optimistic, you will be less frustrated, you will feel satisfied, you'll feel healthy, you'll feel more aware, your relationships will be improved. There are so many benefits of gratitude. So what I do in the morning, you can try this too. Just when you wake up, just think about only 3 things that you are grateful for every single day. Maybe start from, you are so grateful that you have water, that you have food in your plate, that you have a house, you have a mattress. Just the small things. Start from there. And then once you will be so used to it, once your gratitude become your daily practice, then you can find gratitude in everything. And that's the point. You have to raise your vibration. You have to match the vibration of your future self. Step number 7, act as if. Personally, this has worked for me so many times. This might sound crazy for some people, but if you're still here, you're gonna do it. I'm pretty sure about it. So, as I said, we have to match the vibration. So to match the vibration, we have to act, we have to be the same person which we want to become. So how you do that? You have to have some conversations in your day. I would suggest you to do it when you are alone, when you have some time in a day when you don't have anything else to do. Maybe start a conversation with your future client. Just imagine you're talking to them. Just pretend this is your time to act. So, for example, I will be having a conversation with my clients or with my love, or maybe I'm cooking in my dream house with my soulmate and a pet, or I'm hanging out with my best friends. Anything. Just have a conversation. Step number 8, forget it. Don't think about your dreams. Once you're done with your morning rituals, you have done your meditation, your visualization, now just go out and have some fun. Go and run your daily errands, maybe hang out with your family, with your friends. Just don't think about your dreams. Just think about your dreams at least once in a day, in the morning, when you're doing your meditation or your visualization practice. When we are thinking about our dreams all the time, first thing, we get so anxious. It's like ordering something from Amazon. Now you order it and now you're thinking, where's my package? Where's my package? Where's my package? And you are emailing them and you are just calling them, and then they get frustrated, the customer service, and they'll be like, now I'm gonna delay this package. And this is what happens with you, with your goals. Because when we are trying so hard, when we are wanting, which means we are putting a lot of resistance. So when you're putting resistance, everything will be delayed. So just sit back. You have done your steps. You have taken action. Now sit back and let the universe work in your favor. Step number 9, never doubt. Doubts can also delay your manifestation process because it's all about your beliefs. So if you believe that you can manifest whatever you want, then you will get it. But in case, if your mind will wander, and it probably will, so in that case, just try to be calm and try to tell yourself, use some affirmations, and maybe just watch some motivational video, or maybe just come back to this video, watch it again, so that you can again come back to the track. So this is how your manifestation will work in your favor, and the universe will give you what you want. We just need to be open to receive, because abundance is everywhere. Prosperity is everywhere. Just look at those people who have abundance. They are not special, and it's nothing like that you are not special. There is enough for everybody. It's just us. We have the resistance. We have to open up. We have to open to receive the abundance, and then you will get what you want. Let me know in the comments which steps you were missing before. And if you have any question, please let me know in the comments and I will get back to you. If you got some value out of this video, please hit that like button. It will help my videos to get some recognition in the YouTube world. Alright, that's a wrap. I will see you in my next video, sending you so much love and light.